23rd Annual Friends of Palliative Care Golf Tournament is taking place Wednesday, August 31st at the Merrickville Country Club. The tournament supports the Hospice Without Walls with a highly specialized team of healthcare providers. The event helps the program to provide support to patients and their families who are coping with a life-threatening condition at the hospital or in the community. Over $2 million has been raised in support of the local palliative care service over the 22 years of the tournament. The 23rd Annual Friends of Palliative Care Golf Tournament, Wednesday, August 31st at the Merrickville Country Club. For more information, please visit friendsofpalliativecare.com. Sponsored in part by Hometown TV 12.
Because of insurance or whatever that
Little bit right.